Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to ClickUp. So once you're inside ClickUp, all you have to do is simply click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to settings. Right now under the settings section, just click on people on the upper left. And from here, you'll see the option to invite people. So if you click in that, you just need to enter the person email address. And if you would like to add more, just simply use the comma or space to separate those email addresses. Right here, you can also choose how you want to invite them. So if you want to add them as a member, or you can just give them an option to be a limited member, guest, admin, and you can even add your own custom roles, right? Another way how you can easily do that is once you're inside ClickUp, you will see the invite on the lower left hand side. If you click on that, it's going to open up as well the same option here. It's going to open up the same box here where you can add the person. So all you have to do is enter an email address. I'm going to add something here real quick. So I'm going to just go ahead and add an email address here real quick, and I'm going to choose to add that person as a member, and then I'm going to send the invite. Now, as you can see in the lower left hand side, the email has been sent, and what's going to happen, that person will receive an email. So I'm going to simply drag my second window here over so that you can see. So this is what it actually looks like, and this person just need to go ahead and click and accept the invite, and this is going to take them right over to ClickUp. Of course, because they haven't had an account yet, they will most likely need to create an account, right? So they can choose. In this case, I'm going to just sign in with the Google account real quick right here and just go ahead and accept. And if you would like to know how to create a ClickUp account, you can check out in the description. You can check out in the playlist how I've created that. And as you can see right here, I'm just joining real quick, and I'm going to just go through the process here and just, kind of complete it to ensure that complete it so that you can see how it actually looks once I complete that account. And this is basically it, guys. The account is created. I've invited that person, right? And as you can see, this is it. I've invited them to this workspace. Now I'm going to move this over back as I already accepted it. And from here, you will basically see that I can just close the window here. Now, if I go into my friends or in the people I've invited or the members, you can see, let me go to the profile on the upper right hand side, and let's go into the settings and show you that if I click in people, it will show that the second account is added there. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.